All cameras focused on the famous Haze chart at the Mount Washington Observatory to capture a new record for a February wind gust. The 1972 measurement of 166 was blown away.
We've now actually hit a peak gust of 171 miles per hour. We might not be done actually yet either. We're potentially going to be seeing gusts in that realm at least through a good portion of the night here.
This is also the strongest wind recorded here in any month since 1985. Just listen to it whistle.
Oh yeah, there's a good one. My coffee mug was actually rattling on the table just from the vibration of the building here. The windows are kind of flexing back and forth from the pressure changes with the wind.
Gusts a fraction of that toppled trees like this one on Beals Road in Bedford, taking down power lines and closing streets until utility crews could give the all clear. They scrambled from one wind damage report to the next most of the day, finding limbs tangled in the lines like here in Derry. But still nothing can compete with the gusts testing records on the rock pile.
Equal to a Category 5 hurricane that is raging outside right now. So again, incredible.
It is incredible, and this makes it the 8th windiest day ever recorded in the observatory's 86-year history. The highest gust ever, 231 back in 1934, and observers hope to use today's data to predict weather in the future. Live in Manchester, Jean Mackin, WMUR News 9.